lice and flea, which are arthropods and ectoparasites. Both belong to class Insecta under phylum Arthropoda, and both these are wingless insects. Lice are of two types depending on the feeding habits. Lice can be classified into two types. One is chewing or biting lice, which come under order Melophaga. Melophaga means, literally, it means which feeds on bad objects and particularly wool. And sucking lice, which come under order Anopleura, they suck blood from their host. Earlier, these two types of lice were coming under one order, that was Theraptera. It is obsolete now. Actually, this biting lice nomenclature is not correct. It is just accepted like that. It is more appropriate to call it a chewing lice, because sometimes we confuse with biting. If biting flies are sucking blood, why not this louse? Actually, it is chewing lice. It doesn't suck blood or penetrate deeper. And fleas are sucking insect. They suck lymph and blood from their host, and it comes under Siphonaptera. If we come to the gross differences, because these two ectoparasites might be occurring togetherly, or mixed infections sometimes occur, and they are visible, quite visible. Sometimes we may not be able to recognize that, or our farmer friends or paravets, they may not be able to recognize them. So few gross differences which we can visualize. Let us see those differences so that we can easily differentiate which is one louse and which is a flea. In case of lice and flea, if we keep it at one place, easily it can be differentiated based on the body shape. In case of louse, it is dorsoventrally flattened, whereas in case of flea, it is laterally compressed. And in case of lice, it may be gray, yellow, bluish, or reddish in color, depending on the type of louse. And flea is usually dark brown in color. In case of lice, when we approach, they may move little to conceal themselves in between hairs or wool. But we cannot approach flea or catch hold of a flea, because these are very good, efficient leapers. They jump very fast because of their strong anterior, posterior pairs of legs, hind pair of legs. In case of chewing lice, it is chewing type, and in sucking lice, it is piercing and sucking type. Lice do not have eyes. It is either absent or it is vestigial, though two prominent projections or abrasions may be seen at the point where the eyes are there, which are sometimes mistaken as eyes. But in case of flea, compound eyes are absent, but simple eyes are present. This lice cannot survive for a long time away from the host, whereas these fleas can survive for a long period outside the host. So lice, all stages occur in the host. Lice have eggs, nits, nymph, 3 nymphal stages, then adult. All stages are found on the host. And in case of flea, only adult fleas are parasitic. They visit the host to suck blood. They infest on the host. And the eggs, larvae, pupa, all of them, they occur on the soil or dirt or cracks and crevices, the animal house. In case of lice, the metamorphosis is incomplete. In louse, we'll see the nymphs and adults closely resemble with each other, except in variation in size. So the difference between different stages are not marked. That is why they have incomplete metamorphosis, whereas in flea, all stages look different. So they're having complete metamorphosis. These lice are host specific. So based on this, we can blindly tell that if we get one louse, locate one louse in the foot of sheep, we can blindly tell that it is most probably it is Damilonia, this Linoganthus pedalis. So in case of flea, some flea may have wide host range. They don't mind which host they have to feed. If they don't get their principal host, they can feed on and survive on other host also. So they have a wide range of host, whereas lice are post specific. So these are the gross differences based on which we can easily differentiate lice and flea. So this is the picture which shows that this is laterally compressed and this is dorsoventrally patent.